Hi, I'm Nicholas. I'm studying a Bachelor of International Security Studies at the Australian National University in Canberra. I'm also doing a Diploma of Languages, studying Indonesian language. They really give me two sides of the same coin of the Indonesian country, for example, where in class I get to study a very academic perspective and hear in a formal way from lecturers and other students. But at the same time, I need to get to the street and into personal relationships to really learn about truly what it's like to live here and what the country has to offer. My point of view has really been enlightened by both of these sides, where I feel like I can't get to know Indonesia without hearing about its history academically, but at the same time, this needs to be brought to life by meeting people. But there is so much that people won't talk about that you do have to learn about from an academic context. There are so many amazing opportunities for organizations such as the Australia-Indonesia Youth Association, which has chapters in both countries and they're everywhere. So many great people to meet. You can connect with on social media after you meet them in person and can keep lifelong relationships. Bandung feels like the most amazing learning environment, not only because the climate is so ideal and pleasant, but also because there are so many universities here and people come to Bandung from all over the region of West Java, but also all over the country and the world. Acicis is an amazing facilitator. And what I mean by this is perhaps the biggest advantage is reducing administrative burdens. When I meet other students who have to organize everything themselves, I really feel for them because I have the privilege of being with Acicis where, of course, there are costs, but once I fulfill all of those costs with government support, then Acicis handles all of the administrative problems to do with visas, to do with the university enrollments, and submitting a lot of documentation. I really couldn't have done all of this without the help of my supervisor, Ray Rega, and other friends along the way. NCP provided the funding I needed to cover the costs of the program. For example, I received an NCP mobility grant to come here, as well as smaller funding scholarships from my own university. I also received OS Help, which is a HEX loan in addition to my university HEX from the Australian government as an interest-free loan to cover more costs. So what this means is that NCP covered all of my tuition, but my scholarship and OS Help loan are covering my cost of living in Indonesia. To not be afraid and know that you can do it too, and that it's open for everyone. You don't need to be very fluent already with Bahasa Indonesia or have much exposure, but it's really exciting, very welcoming. And if you're worried, there's a lot of hand-holding needed sometimes to help, and that's okay because that's what Acicis is for. Semangat!